Hi everyone, I'm going to show you guys how to solve this differential equation. So it's given x into dy over dx plus y plus 4x squared into y to the power 3 ln x. So we'll need to use a substitution of z equals y to the power minus 2. Now I didn't come up with the substitution, it was already given in the question. So basically we need to use this in order to solve the differential equation. So what I'm going to do first is, now we have dy over dx in the question, right? So we'll have to come up with a differential equation in terms of dz over dx to make it simpler for us. So let's find dz over dy. Let's differentiate this. Z equals to y to the power minus 2, right? So dz over dy equals to minus 2 into y to the power minus 3. That's the differentiation, right? So now dy over dx, you can write it as dy over dz into dz over dx, right? So dy over dx equals to, now what's dy over dz? It's basically the reciprocal, right? So dy over dz equals to negative 1 over 2 y to the power 3, right? Okay, so we can write negative 1 over 2 y to the power 3 to dz over dx. Now we could use this as a substitution, right? Okay, so let's go into the question. X into dy over dx plus y plus 4x squared y to the power 3 ln x equals to 0. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to divide every term by x. So dy over dx plus y over x plus 4x y to the power 3 ln x equals 0, right? Now let's put in our substitution. So now you can put in, instead of dy over dx, I'm going to put minus half into y to the power 3 dz over dx plus y over x plus 4xy to the power 3 ln x equals to 0. Okay, so let's divide every term by y to the power 3 . Okay, now we have minus half into dz over dx plus 1 over x into y squared plus 4x ln x, right, equals 0. Now we know z equals to y to the power minus 2. So z equals to 1 over y squared, right? Now before I go any further, let's multiply everything by minus 2. So now we'll have dz over dx minus 1 over x into 1 over y squared, I'll write it like that, into 2, so I'll just put the 2 over here, equals, so I'm taking this onto the right side. Now when you multiply it by minus 2, so this becomes minus 8. When it goes onto the other side, it's just plus, right? So 8x ln x. Now can you see we have 1 over y squared? Now instead of 1 over y squared, we can put in z, right? So it's dz over dx minus 2z over x equals to 8x ln x. Now it's easy to solve because we have easier terms, z and x, and it's simpler, right? Because if you look at the previous one, we have x squared and y to the power 3, which makes it harder to solve, which is why we need a substitution. Now, how do you solve this? dz over dx minus 2z over x equals to 8x ln x. Now, I have a bunch of differential equation videos in my channel, so I've always explained when you do first order differential equations, as you can see this is first order because it only has dy over it only has one derivative, right? It doesn't have the second derivative. So what you do is you'll have to there's a format you need to follow. So it's y into e to the power the integration of the coefficient in front of z. Now in this case it's not going to be y, it's going to be z, because z is our main term, right? I'm sorry about that. I used y because we usually have questions with y and x, right? So in this case it would be z into e to the power the integration of the coefficient of z over there. So the integration of minus 2 over x dot dx. This equals to the integration of 8x ln x into this, what we had previously, e to the power the integration of minus 2 over x dot dx. Let me write it here, 2x dot dx dot dx. This is the formula, the method you need to follow. I've explained this in previous questions. You could go through my videos where I've done questions with first derivatives, the first order differential equations. If you want a detailed explanation, if you guys need a tutorial on differential equations, please drop a comment, I'll help you guys out. Anyways, this is the format you guys need to follow, right? So e to the power the integration of minus 2 over x dot dx, what does this give you? E to the power minus 2 ln minus 2 into ln x, right? So this is e to the power ln x to the power minus 2. So if you have e to the power ln, the terms inside the brackets is going to be your answer. So this is x to the power minus 2. Alright, so now let's use the formula. So it's z into x to the power minus 2 equals to the integration of 8x ln x into x to the power minus 2 dot dx. So it's z over x squared equals to 8 over x ln x, right? So we could take 8 out, and all we have to integrate is ln x over x. So you could take a substitution of u equals ln x, du over dx equals 1 over x. So then x dot du equals dx. Let's go back into our question. So instead of writing ln x, we could write u over x dot, instead of dx, you can write x dot du, x cancels off. All you have to integrate is u. So the integration of u is u squared over 2. You multiply that by 8. Now it's 4u squared plus c now, right? So it's z over x squared equals to 4u squared plus c. Now instead of writing u, you could write 4 into ln x squared ln x. Okay, now we know z equals to y to the power minus 2. That was given at the start of the question. So you could rewrite this as y squared equals to 1 over z, right? Now you could write x squared over z equals to 1 over 4 ln x squared plus c. I just took the reciprocal. I just shifted everything on the left and right side. So now you could write it as x squared into 1 over z equals to 1 over 4 ln x squared plus c. Now let's subject 1 over z. Now 1 over z is y squared, alright? So y squared equals to 1 over 4x squared ln x squared plus cx squared. You could leave your answer like this, or if you want you could take the square root to just subject y, it doesn't matter. So this is everything for this question. If you guys have any doubts, please drop a comment. I help you guys out. And if you guys like my teaching, leave a like and subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you so much.